Everything you're about to see is produced by me. And by me, I mean me. Hi. Take these few examples: the drone footage, the camera shots, the hands-on dirty work, the editing, presenting, script writing, and yes, even this voiceover. That's why I've given this showreel the title, Jack of all trades. And you're probably thinking, the master of none. There's one element I forgot to mention, and that's sound. The music sourcing is a tough one, but get it right and it comes across well. Don't get me wrong, I shoot mainly cars, but give me a different subject and a vision and I'll conquer it. Production to me is telling a story through a camera, setting a scene that's so wonderful, it's just as good as being there. Cup of coffee, anyone? Then there's colours. Where do I even begin? Take this shot for instance, you shoot it flat, spend a couple of minutes in the colour grade and boom, you have a whole different feel and image. Most people like to cut out the bad bits, but I like to leave them in for a sense of normality. And I know, I almost just written off my car there, but leaving it in creates humour, jeopardy and shock, and that's how I believe you hook an audience.
Just look at those views.